really want to mihi. This is amazing. The whakarongo rā and the waiata that we've done with Tipene and Tawaroa, Kings, like all of our crew, it's really just being a tutu. Being a Māori boy tutu, having a tutu at this thing and jamming with beautiful mates. Mihi tu whaia hinewehi and the Song Hubs kaupapa. Through that, built heaps of the relationships with the different artists and stuff. And it's just cool. We turn on the radio, we listen to Spotify, not Spotify anymore, we listen to other forms of streaming our music, and we hear all our mates. Ko te reo Māori tēnei e rere ana, ko te Waiata Māori, ko te Wairua Māori, no reira e mihi ana ki tērā kaupapa mo tātou. Tēnā tātou. Tūkana.
This means a lot for me for different various reasons. One is because been on a whakapapa journey now for 1 year, and I come from a place called Whangaroa, which is in Tainui, and won 3 music awards this year and gave it to my family in Aitutaki and Tongalewa, and my other goals was to send one to Whangaroa to my great-great-grandmother Hereporongo, and my other great nanny Eva Kireopa Ricard, and my grandmother Winnie Haunuku And yeah, I feel like I accomplished something, so I can take it back to my whenua, back to Tainui, back to Te Kōpua, Te Whenua. And yeah, I just want to thank the Māori Music Awards so much, and God bless you. Thank you. Now I just want to have a couple beers. Me taki o tupaka.